Hello, I am Vaishali Khanve working as an assistant professor in Department of Computer Engineering from Institute of Engineering, MIT's Visual Knowledge City, Nasik. I welcome you all to the course introduction session of Web Technology. Web Technology is a course of third year computer engineering and it is of 2019 course. Web technology is the establishment and use of mechanism that make it possible for different computers to communicate. We can also share resources or the building blocks of an effective computer networking system. We know that now everything needs internet to get access in many things. Of course, the web technology is very important in this modern world. Some of web technology may be complicated, but without it, a website would not be nice and having a good user interface. So that this course has some objective. So objective 1 is to learn the fundamentals of web essentials and markup languages. Objective 2 is to use the client-side technology in web development. Objective 3 is to use the server-side technologies in web development. Objective 4 is to understand the web series and frameworks. Now, on completion of this course, the students will be able to implement and analyze behavior of web pages using HTML and CSS. Student will be able to apply the client-side technologies for web development. Student will be able to analyze the concept of servlet and JSP. Now, student will also able to analyze the web services and frameworks. Student will be able to apply the server-side technologies for web development. Student will be able to create the effective web applications for business functionalities using latest web development platform. Now let us take a look about the course contents of web technology. So this course has 6 units. So first unit is of web essentials and markup language. In web essentials we will going to see what is internet, basic internet protocol, the world wide web, HTTP request message, HTTP response message, web clients, web servers. Then in this unit we will see markup language like HTML. In HTML we will see the introduction to HTML, its history and its version. Then we will see HTML elements like heading, paragraphs, line break, colors, fonts, links, frames, list, tables, images and forms. Difference between HTML and HTML5. Again, in this unit we will see the CSS, that is introduction to the style sheet. So CSS features, CSS core syntax, style sheets and HTML, style rule, cascading and inheritance, text properties, and finally we'll see bootstrap. Now, unit number 2. Unit number 2 is of client-side technologies. So, in this unit, we will see the JavaScript and DOM as a client-side technology. First, in the JavaScript, we will see introduction to JavaScript, JavaScript in perspective, basic syntax, variables, data types, statements, operators, literals, functions, objects, arrays, built-in objects, JavaScript debuggers. Then we'll see the DOM, that is document object model, document history and labels, intrinsic event handling, modifying element style, the document tree, DOM event handling, jQuery and overview of Angular JS. Unit number 3. Unit number 3 is of Java Servlet and XML. In Servlet, first we will see the Servlet architecture. Then a hello world servlet, servlet generating dynamic contents, servlet lifecycle, parameter data, sessions, cookies, URL rewriting, other servlet capabilities, data storage, servlet concurrency, databases like MySQL and Java servlet. Then in this unit, we will also going to see the XML, like XML documents and vocabularies, XML declaration, XML namespaces, DOM-based XML processing, transforming XML documents. Then in this unit we will see the DTD like schema, elements, attributes. Then we'll see the Ajax, introduction to Ajax and working of Ajax. Then unit number 4. In unit number 4, we will see JSP and web services. So in JSP, first we will see introduction to Java server pages, JSP and servlet, running JSP application, basic JSP, Java beans classes and JSP, support for the model view controller paradigm, JSP related technologies. Then in the web services, we will see the concept of web service, writing a Java web service, writing a Java web service client, describing web services, WSDL, communicating object data like SOAP, that is SOAP. Then we'll see the struts. So overview of struts, architecture of struts, configuration, actions, interceptors, result types, validation, localization, exception handling, and annotations. Then unit number 5. Unit number 5 is of server side scripting language. So in this we will going to see the PHP as server side scripting language. So in this unit we will see introduction to PHP, uses of PHP, general syntactic characteristics, primitive operations and expressions, output, control statements, arrays, functions, pattern matching, form handling, files, cookies, session tracking, using MySQL with PHP, WAP and WML. Again in this unit we have the introduction to ASP.NET. So overview of the .NET framework, overview of C#, introduction to ASP.NET, ASP.NET controls, web services and overview of Node.js. And the last unit, that is unit number 6, is of Ruby and Rails. So in this unit, first we will see the introduction to Ruby, like origins and uses of Ruby, scalar types and their operation, simple input and output, control statements, fundamentals of arrays, hashes, methods, classes, code blocks and iterators, pattern matching. Then we will see the introduction to Rails, overview of Rails, document request, processing forms, Rail applications and databases, layout, Rails with Ajax, and then we will see introduction to EJB. So these are the contents of web technology. Thank you.